Henry Horton State Park heading down the Duck River. It is a gorgeous paddle with mini rapids, baby turtles, and swimming snakes. What are you doing, honey? This is a rough start. We're taking the rapids backwards. Don't do anything. We're going in backwards. This is how you start an adventure. So I think he said this is about 6-ish, 7-ish miles. He doesn't know exactly. Takes roughly 4 hours. There's little rapid areas like that. And then it's smooth to little paddling in between. Let's see if we can hit these rapids going straight on this time. We just wanted to be fancy, you know? Show off like, oh, look at us. We can spin around in circles and go down backwards.
We went down backwards and we didn't flip the canoe.
We didn't.
It's called skill.
That is called skill.
I did actually go backwards on purpose after that.
These are the intense rapids. Hold on, girls. Oh man. I don't think, stay a little to the right. That looks like a rock right there.
Oh, this is perfect. Perfect for fun paddle. This is gonna be a fun trip.
Look at us go! This is so fun! Ooh, what's that orange thing? Oh, it's a shark.
I thought it was a lobster.
A lobster?
I was like, what in the world is a lobster nerve?
So you're gonna want to go a little to the left because there's some type of stick or tree.
That's a pretty butterfly.
It's not a treasure chest, it's garbage.
Went through rapids. That was really fun.
Oh. We're dragging a little bit. There you go. This is gonna be a really fun paddle.
This is your favorite kind of paddle.
Yes, this is my favorite kind of paddle, where if you don't paddle, you're still moving, for the most part. They have 2 different paddles. The kids are hungry. Should we give them some food? Sure. Look, look, there's a turtle right there. Just sitting on the log. Oh, oh. Here's the train. We heard this all night long. And now we get to see them. They're really long trains, because we'd hear them for a while. We're going the scenic way.
We're so sure you're
Wait,
so.
does it end there though? We have to turn around, honey. Don't, yeah. And so this is the cove. Go to the right. We came down here to see the bird, right? Well, I was wrong. It looks so much more open, and the other way is like half covered. So I'm like, oh, for sure this is the way, but it's not. But honestly, with 2 strong paddlers, we're absolutely fine. The water's not really moving much back here. I just wanted to take you on the scenic, and it doesn't cost extra for the scenic, I'm just saying.
Hey, we got an extra, 5-10 minutes of a trip.
Yeah. I wouldn't say this was 5 or 10 minutes, but, well, maybe 5, maybe 5 minutes, yeah. I'll give you 5.
Weird though, it's like the river just ended.
Second.
What did we get?
A turtle. Pickles.
We named the turtle Pickles, because Pickles could be a boy or a girl.
They're so cute.
Aww. He's so cute. Hold him nice and steady.
He doesn't have that.
Look, he's getting more comfortable. He's coming out of his shell. He's like, oh, hey guys.
Nice.
A little bit scratchy. Let me see. Let's get
Got
a
a second one.
Have you?
Daddy, now I can hold one too. This is Stripes. And this is Pickles.
Stripes and Pickles.
But he's not really a real pickle. He's just a turtle pickle.
Oh, so you can't eat pickles?
Yeah. He's a nice turtle though. Mine is such a cute turtle, but it has a lot of energy.
Yeah, he has a lot of energy.
I think it has too much energy. He doesn't have a lot of energy. Hello, Stripes. He doesn't have a lot of, Pickles doesn't have a lot of energy. You are being very, very...
Rambunctious?
Yes. But it likes to go everywhere. This one has a little too much energy.
Yeah, look at the little babies.
He likes to run.
Those are newborns.
Aww.
They're really baby turtles.
They're just little babies.
Yeah, they're very newborns. They're probably hatched a couple days old.
This one's the most energetic.
Oh, I didn't get him. Mommy, look at me. Everybody show me the turtles.
Stripes. It's the
I have.
most
Oh wait,
energetic.
I have Pickles right now.
Which
I
one-
named
which
Pickles and
one's this
Gidget.
one?
That's Gidget.
And this one's Stripes. It's the energetic one in the family.
No, they're all pretty. I don't know. Pickles is pretty chill. Gidget's pretty active too, though.
Let them go. You have to let them go. They belong in the wild.
There it goes.
Oh my gosh, it's swimming. Bye.
All right,
Oh, look
bye.
at it. He said goodbye.
Bye.
Bye, Pickles. Bye, Gidget. Look at Pickles is saying goodbye.
No,
Bye,
that's
Pickles.
Pickles.
Bye, Gidget. Bye, Stripes. We love you.
I'll always remember that.
See you later, buddy.
Oh, yeah, we see Pickles. Bye, Pickles. He's swimming around like crazy.
He's happy.
Oh, he's safe by the log now. This tree has a fallen down section, so there's like little places for them to climb out and stuff. We kept them just for a couple minutes. We said hi, we put them back in a spot just like we caught them. And there's tons of them all along the shore, so they must have just hatched recently because we see them on like every single log. It's really quiet back here. There's, I mean, a couple kayaks and canoes, but it's not like overwhelming the amount of people on the river. It's really just peaceful. I like it.
I want cookie dough mix. I want vanilla with cookie dough. I love cookie dough. Extra, double extra.
Double extra?
Yeah, I had double extra.
She needs a double extra
No,
after last
no,
night
Grandma-
backpacking.
No,
Yeah?
Grandma let me had a double extra.
With the
ice
cookie
cream.
dough?
Yeah, when you were gone.
She's so lucky. Grandma and Papa gave her extra cookie dough on. They do. They kind of like chimp out and give you a little bit, so you have to ask for like a ton extra to get what you want. Because I mean, I like lots of cookie dough or lots of Oreos. We're like unofficially trying to go to all the Tennessee state parks that have like camping or cabins. Because some of the state parks are like super duper tiny. We're trying to go to some of the bigger ones that have like the cabins or, you know, backcountry campsites or whatnot.
Elizabeth, how did you sleep last night? Elizabeth, how did you sleep last night? I didn't hear anything. Not even the loud train. And usually when I fall asleep, I'm like, yeah, I don't hear anything.
We heard some rushing water, and this is why. Obviously we can't go off of that, but there is like a pull-out spot, and you clamber across the rocks to get in on the other side. And these kind people told us there's nothing on the other side the rest of the way down the river, just little rapids. Oh, do they mean the left right here though?
Let's go this way. We're going this way. We're good. Dive it out. Walk over. Walk.
Oh, there's a snack.
Exactly. What are you doing?
There's a snake right there.
Oh, it's northern water snake. You want to go swimming?
No.
Well, my shoes are wet. I guess I'm wearing Crocs the rest of the week.
We might have to get out again, Thomas, right here.
I think you should step out right here. Because I don't want to me right here. If you can step out right before the rapids, I'll try to slow us down a little bit. Right before the rapids, and I'll step out. Hold on, I'm not even in the queue yet.
Oh.
Unless you want to leave me here.
Okay, the couple back there said all the way to the left, and I thought we were to the left, but there's a further left than the left that we did. Right, and away we go.
This is pretty. Yeah, definitely get some juice from here. This is really pretty.
We're gonna go underneath the tree. Look at this. Woo! Well, that was eventful. We had to portage a little bit. There were 2 snakes in the water and a dam.
One tiny one and one very large one.
Yes, a tiny one. Well, I wouldn't say very large, but a larger one. A large one.
3 feet.
A large one for the type of snakes we see usually. Your copperhead was a lot bigger though, honey. But we're all
Oh, it's
safe.
the same size.
And Tom forgot to bring his Crocs, so now he has very wet shoes. See the rocks?
Yeah, over there, look, next to that one.
Oh yeah, there's a tub. What is that? Is that a bathtub?
Yeah.
You think it's a bathtub?
Yeah.
Ooh, I saw a fish swim by. It's the first one I saw. Ooh, intense rapids up ahead.
There's some trees falling down. We need to get out and walk it.
Oh.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to get out and walk it.
No!
We won't, I don't know that we have a choice.
We're gonna have to walk
Yeah,
it.
okay, so it's so intense.
We're actually gonna have to walk it.
We're gonna have to walk it. There's a down tree.
We're gonna have to get out.
Yeah.
Keep going.
So there's a down tree right on that side. So we're walking this side all the way down. But I think that's how you're supposed to normally go. But that looks fairly fresh. No, those are just bugs. Oh, the dragonfly. He was liking you. Oh, look, it keeps landing on you, Elizabeth. Oh, it's uneven now. All right, it's shallow, but we made it through. Woohoo! And that's ahead. Now, I'm wondering if they have flash floods here, and that's how high the water can get. Like, you know, what was that river we were on? That's like horseshoe shaped?
Don't remember.
The one that's in Nashville, left in Nashville.
Cavern.
I don't remember the name of it.
Horseshoe Cavern.
Well, there's one that we went on, and they said that if it's high waters, you can't go. And we're like, okay. And we looked, and the bank, you could see where they would have like flash floods, and it would go up like 4 or 5 feet. And it was insane. So there,
I think it was even more than that. I think it was more like even 8 or 9 feet.
in some areas, yeah. Like it was like, when they say you can't paddle, it means you legit can't, unless you're, I guess, if you're really good. But I can't remember the name of it. This is the name, right here. I don't remember what it was called. Little rapids. Can we make this one? I don't see it. Underneath the tree? A blanket? Oh, it's a squirrel.
That's a squirrel?
Yeah. It's
a big squirrel.
No, it's a squirrel, honey.
What blanket?
You see?
It's like a red squirrel or something. I can't remember what they're called. Yeah, it's a squirrel.
I find it intriguing. How do you pass this guy from this side to the left?
Down the rapids.
It's like a little canoe launch.
It's like a little chute right here.
Yeah, see that?
It's a canoe chute.
Walk in the middle, sweetie. I don't want
Good job, Elizabeth.
I got you. Alright, now step over. That shouldn't be slippery over there. You got it?
Our journey is almost over. We have a little straightaway here, a turn, and then a straightaway to the bridge, and then we're done. Oh, a little more rapids up ahead. It's not really rapids, it's like shallow. I wonder if the water level is usually a little bit higher. Look at the log.
Nice paddle. Perfect.
Listen to the drips. Down there is our bridge where we get out, so the end of our journey. Oh, look at this. These rocks are really cool. Really, really cool.